Okay, so hey guys, it's Brandon's Amazing World 66, and today I'm going to be back with another video, but this is a different video, kind of, and if you guys can't tell, I dyed my hair, and it's all in the back too, so yeah. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, smash the like button, please. So yeah, I ordered slime, and I ordered North Pole slime, and I can't remember the squishy, but yeah. So, and I guess the Laser Shop Museum has an M on it, so let's open up that. So, first look. Okay, there's all hidden secrets. How baby. First thing, Pluto Plasma. Okay, so first of all, this is store-bought slime. I don't know if they just use the store-bought slime container, but let's look. Okay. So let's put you guys down first so you can see. Let's pour this out. Oh. Oops, there's nothing right here. Okay. What the heck? Oh, so I have to respect on this. Okay, so this is not really slime. Okay. So this is definitely store-bought slime. Because you really cannot make slime at home. Like, look. What the? Put that back. Kind of disappointed in that. So, oh, and I ordered, it was grape pomegranate slime. So, let me take another look in the bag. Oh, here it is. You guys didn't see it in there. So I can tell this one's homemade because the container. So let's open this. This is a good amount. Yes. Okay, it's kind of soft, but okay, this is pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this up. Some use shaving smoothing cream. It's not really shaving cream, it's like basically lotion, so. And the smell is great, so that's good. Just rub this around in the slime. But I closed my eyes when I reached in for this. I was just looking for a container. Because I know squishy's not going to come in a container, so. Yeah. Okay, so this is a good slime. I think so. Stretch it out. There's little bubbles to it. I'm not going to try to make a movie, but I'm just going to do that. Because it makes it have little air bubbles in it, so. Yeah. That's that slime. If I had to rate the other slime, I'd give it 5 because the 5 it didn't get is because it is not a homemade slime. And the 5 it did get is because it was nothing in it, it was clean. And it hadn't been opened, so hopefully it didn't look like it did. So that's that side. Sorry if I'm playing with them kind of long. Yeah. I'm like, sorry if you hear something, but I'm gonna leave here because for just like not even 1 minute, because you guys subscribe, hit that like button, share this video, comment. So Do it. Do it. One more time. Okay.
Do you like this white raspberry paint?
Okay. Good. Okay. So that is it for the slime thing, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so I did order 5 squishies. So let me reach in the bag. Okay, here, a little keychain squishy. Okay, so I did order 4 surprise squishies. So yeah. So this must be a surprise squishy. It's a little mini one. And it's a keychain. So yeah, use that. Oh, sorry, I pulled that out. Here's like another one. This is also salmon, I think, with a little scoop of rice. So looks like this is keychain too, but it just doesn't have one on there. So yeah, this is pretty big, I guess. And then I ordered Hawaiian rolls, but not rolls, but it was just like a little piece of bread, but it had like 2 in 1. So yeah. Okay. Here it is. I just spoke about it and I just picked it up. So here it is. They look very cute and they're keychains, I guess. This one. This is a very good squishy. That's very cute. And well, I knew what was in there because it literally showed on there. It's not a surprise. And it showed there was like I think a little teddy bear. I'm not sure. Like a bear face. So let's look in the bag. There we go. Sorry for the background. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little greenish one. Oh, this is a little defected. Like, look at that. Like, what the heck? Like, oh my god, a piece just fell off of the squishy. Gross. Like, look at this. Nose. Oh, sorry if my nail looks weird. It's nail polish that's coming off. So yeah, like, look at that loop. Like, what the heck? So cute and all, but yeah. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is the squishy I know I ordered. It is. Because I kind of felt the squishy. This is cute. I can smell it through the bag. Like, oh my gosh. The source. It's the mouth squishy. $10. Okay. It's small and silly, but it's so cute. So. Let's open this. Oh my god, it's so soft. Look at him. Sorry. So soft. Smell vision, guys. Here, let me push it. Smell that. Oh my god, smell it. So, okay, let's squish this. I don't know how to squish it. I mean, which way? It is not even airy. Well, like, look at that, guys. Like, oh my god. This is so cute. And I'm not sure if there's extras, but yeah. That bag was deeper than you saw. That's why you might have not saw everything that was in there. Okay. Let me reach into see what's in there now. Okay. Okay, it feels something. Really? Oh my god. What is this? Broken? Like how do you even work this thing? It's like, I'm just seeing this. Like, what is this? This is broken. The eyes popped in. Okay, that is an extra. So, can't be too surprised. Just an extra. But I'll be right back because I need to go grab something. Well, not grab something. I need to do something real quick. So, you guys can take. Comment what squishy you like the most. Wow, I'll be right back. What squishy you like best? Here, there we go. Okay, whatever. We'll see that there. So. Okay, so I'll give you probably enough time. So next slime I ordered was the mint ice cream. So let's see if that's in there. I'm just gonna look in there now. So, oh, here it is. Looks like mint off his poly turquoise. So here's this one. So the bubbles in there. It's so glossy and liquidy, stretchy. Makes bubbles. Strong ones. Just a little sticky and liquidy, but it's good.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
Simon.
Sorry. There's somebody over there.
There's a sign off the fire that says out of order still. I think we want.
Sorry, guys, if I keep going away. Sorry. Yeah, you heard my name, so. They wanted me to they wanted someone to go check something. But I didn't have to go. So we're gonna add some of this just to make it even more. Oh my god, really? Sorry. Okay, so the slime is gorgeous. Like, smells amazing, super stretchy. And no, guys, this is not a scam. Well, it might be to them, but not to me. So it's not blueberry or anything. So that's that one. And then I think we have our last one left in there, so. There he is. And guys, this did come in a box, but I just took the bag out of the box because just so it wasn't as hard, so yeah. So this one should be, because there's only one left. My, what was it again? Oh, minty, no, not minty, what was that? Melted marshmallow, so, yeah, here it is. Different container, but, I mean, it's not like it has a brand on it, so, here it is. Yeah. Oh, look at it, when you poke it, it looks like there's blue in there, but this is just white. Look how glossy that is, guys. Look. You guys cannot see, but like, on camera it still looks pretty, but oh my god. Oh my god. I know this is not me. Music. I just opened this. I don't know if they meant to do this or this is a new sign, yeah, because there's a whole bunch of on her accounts. So yeah. And I had no idea. She said you can only say her name, but like what her, you can't, she said not to say what her account was on, because I told her I'm going to put this on YouTube. So I didn't tell her I was going to put it on YouTube, but she just said if I put it on YouTube, don't say her or her name, or you can find her account. So yeah, but I will be saying her name. So yeah, but I'm not gonna say where her account's from, because maybe it's from, she just doesn't want to. I don't know. Maybe she's running them all on slides. Okay, so there's, oh my god, another hair. Oh my god, but I have to get it out because it was like, it's a good slime, but like disgusting touching it. Ew. Throw that. She accidentally dropped it on the floor. But it should already be in the containers before she sells. I just saw another one. Okay. Third hair that I saw. I guess she did not send a letter. So yeah. And I'm gonna say her name. So hear that loud noise? That's wind. We're having a storm, so yeah. That's that. So here's the signs that I got. I think this one was a little scam because it's not really slime that much. It looks so bad. So these are the slimes I got. And I think I got one glitter extra. This stupid broken thing. I'm literally gonna throw that away. So yeah. And I will double check the back because if you're wondering what this M stands for, it's for Museum of Science. So yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to become part of the Amazing World Squad. And yeah, you guys love this.